Just because an SUV is new doesn't mean it's reliable. Some 2025 models, despite their luxury branding, are plagued with costly problems. That's why we've analyzed Consumer Reports' reliability scores to reveal 12 SUVs you should avoid. Stick around to save yourself from expensive repairs. Number 12. The Maserati Grecale. This luxury SUV starts at $78,000, but its infotainment system is glitchy, and electrical issues cause frequent problems. Owners report unreliable keyless entry, door sensors, and interior components. Looks aren't everything when reliability is lacking. Number 11. The Mercedes-Benz GLA. Despite the Mercedes badge, it has a predicted reliability score of just 30. Complaints include jerky transmission shifts, electrical failures, and malfunctioning driver assistance systems. It's far from the luxury experience buyers expect. Number 10. The Land Rover Defender. It looks rugged, but owners report suspension failures, air leaks, and unpredictable ride height adjustments. Compressor issues and electrical problems make this an unreliable pick. Number 9. The 2025 Infiniti QX80. Consumer Reports gave it a reliability score of 30, citing electronics malfunctions, inconsistent powertrain performance, and poor resale value. Infiniti's struggles continue, making this SUV a risky purchase. Number 8. The 2025 Range Rover Evoque. Starting at $50,000, it has infotainment failures, turbocharger issues, and fuel leaks. Owners report frequent breakdowns, making it one of the least reliable luxury SUVs. Number 7. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Despite its sporty drive, reliability is a major concern. Recurring oil leaks, spark plug failures, and drivetrain issues lead to constant dealership visits. If you want performance without headaches, avoid this SUV. Number 6. The Land Rover Discovery Sport. This SUV is worse than the Defender, with turbocharger failures, oil leaks, and electronic glitches. Reports of fuel leaks add to the growing list of issues. Consumer Reports ranks it among the least reliable SUVs. Number 5. The 2024 Alfa Romeo Tonale. A major recall for faulty brake pedals poses a serious safety risk. Owners also report check engine lights, over-revving engines, and failing safety features. Warranty claims are frustrating, making this SUV one to avoid. Number 4. The Lincoln Navigator. Once a luxury icon, now plagued with reliability issues. A 3.5-liter GTDI engine recall revealed serious oil leak problems, and infotainment glitches make daily driving frustrating. Consumer Reports gave it a low reliability score of 27. Number 3. The Cadillac XT4. This SUV suffers from transmission failures, causing delayed shifting, rough gear changes, and overheating. Consumer Reports gave it a 27 reliability score, making it one of the worst SUVs to buy. Number 2. The Lincoln Nautilus. The 2024 update didn't fix its infotainment failures, transmission issues, and excessive engine noise. If you want a worry-free SUV, this isn't it. Finally, at number 1, the Lincoln Aviator. With a reliability score of just 22, it's a disaster waiting to happen. Transmission failures, excessive oil consumption, and electrical breakdowns make this one of the worst SUVs of 2025. That's our list of SUVs to avoid in 2025. Don't fall for flashy designs. These models are trouble. Have you owned an unreliable SUV? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car buying advice. Thanks for watching.